Okay, so with what is going on right now, a lot of people now are trying to renew their old blue passports. There are about four different, why do I always do that? Four different types of old blue passports, two hardcovers, and then the big blue one, which I posted in another video. I'm gonna go get it. So if you have one of these passports, do not remove the photograph. I repeat, do not remove this photograph because it's the only baby photo you have of yourself. You will get the passport back after it has been renewed. You must surrender the old passport to get a new one. No matter how long it's been, don't say, well, it's been 30, 40 years, this passport is no good anymore. As long as it does not have cancer stamp in it, it is still good. You may bring it in for a renewal. And as I'm on this topic, if you don't have one of them passports here, please renew it now. Because with what's going on right now, anyway, whether you're a citizen, green card holder, or out of status entirely and still have this, you need to come get it renewed now. 876 Document is here to help as long as you need us. That's the only way we help. If you contact us for help, we will definitely help you. Renew this one, renew the hardcover one, but again, do not take out the photograph out of it. Make the picture stay. You will get back the old passport. Alright, thanks for watching.